I'm here at one of the best kept secrets in Rome, the Villa Farnesina. It was actually built at the beginning of the 16th century for a man named Agostino Chigi. He was the wealthiest man in Rome and the banker to Pope Julius II. And in fact, the structure was dedicated to delectation and debauchery, a kind of Renaissance Playboy mansion, if you will. And to create the perfect atmosphere for the types of activities that took place, Chigi was actually employing artists of the rank of Raphael and his school and the great architect Baldassare Peruzzi to come in and decorate the walls. It is one of the most celebrated yet underrated structures in all of Rome, and a must if you are in the Eternal City. The most sensational of the parties that was thrown here involved food being served on golden and silver tableware. And at the end of the meal, all of the guests were invited to walk over to the banks of the nearby Tiber River and to throw it all into the river. Unknown to them, of course, that there were servants there with nets secretly catching all of the gold and silver as it flew by. Because as wealthy as Agostino Chigi was, no one wants to waste that kind of wealth. The entrance loggia is called the Loggia of Psyche because the spectacular frescoes therein, which were painted by Giulio Romano, the most important student of Raphael, depict the classical myth of the story of Cupid and Psyche, and there is explicit eroticism throughout the frescoes. In the next room, which is called the Loggia of Galatea, after the celebrated fresco by Raphael showing the triumph of the nymph Galatea, up on the ceiling we also have these astrological symbols representing the horoscope of the patron Agostino Chigi. And then upstairs in Agostino's bedroom, where we have Alexander the Great offering his crown to Roxanne, the widow of his defeated foe Darius.